Alright, printing up the case for the little coffee pot filler valve. It's hard to see, there's a nice little water droplet for effect. Here's the circuit board. Little 40mm by 40mm circuit board, everything on the back. Here's the prototype circuit, a little bit taken apart. We got a voltage regulator. This adjustable resistor is what determines the amount of time that the switch stays open. Little 555 timer right there. Actually, I can bring up the circuit right now. Here's what it's going to look like when it's laid out. And here's the circuit itself. Basically, monostable timer circuit that uses this capacitor and this resistor to determine the amount of time. And let's get the inventor. Come on. Here's what that assembled box is going to look like. Mounts to the wall, and then there's holes in the bottom, and I'll go into this part. Basically, yeah, mounts the valve, which I'll show you in a second, goes right to the bottom, and then there's a push button switch to fill it, and the power adapter. Here's the beginning of the plumbing. Just have a needle valve underneath the sink, and you got to put a little coil in here to make it look cool. That's what all the kids are doing. And then here's the solenoid right here. So this is going to mount right there with a little box that has the circuit in it hooked up to here. Power run back to this outlet here. Here's the Mr. Coffee, $15 Amazon coffee pot. What's cool is they put these holes in the back so that you don't overfill it, which is odd. Everybody complains that when they overfill it, it just makes a mess. But I'll just run that copper tube right in there out of the solenoid. And then when I press the button, it'll fill up nice and clean. So all I gotta do is throw my coffee in there, press the button, rock and roll. So I think it'll be nice. Because this would always be under the counter, and I'd get this thing, and you kind of like try to pour it and get the rest of the water out, but there's this like curve here, so you end up pouring water all over the counter. Whereas now I can just press go, grind my coffee as it's filling up. No problems. Plus, always an opportunity to add a inline filter. Can't even see here. Yeah, there's the needle valve. Get that really nice filtered water that all the coffee snobs want. I guess I'm one of those. Alright, well, I'll have a video for the completed thing.